Hello, welcome back. And I have an issue here. The sway bar is hitting the suspension arm, and the reason is I didn't notice this before on the other side, but here when the suspension is free here at the lowest position, it takes there. I haven't put the car on its wheels, so I don't know if that's an issue when the car is on the ground. But I think that it doesn't affect to that. It will be touching the control arm even though the car is on its wheels. So the old part and the new part look like a match. They look like. But this lip here, this upper lip, is wider, higher than the old one. And also, what I measured from this hole here, just below it, it's a little bit wider, this new part. So it causes this problem here. So I need to do something about that. So I'm going to lower the car and see if there's a problem still. But I think I have to do something about that. But yeah, that kind of issue. Hello YouTube. Not much happening here, except the front end of the car is now done. The issue that I told you about the sway bar and the lower arm there, when the car is on its wheels, it doesn't touch the sway bar doesn't touch the arm, so that's okay. I'm not going to do anything about it unless it makes noises when I'm driving. But yeah, other than that, I tightened the bolts on both sides, cleaned the wheels, so I don't have to take them off anymore. The car is dirty as hell. I need to clean the car. I need to put the interior on and clean the interior. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this trunk carpet. It's pretty ugly, but yeah, I might buy some material to do a new one. And yeah, I cleaned the garage a little bit, put the tools to the wall so it's easier to find things in here and the other side. This is how it's usually organized. And yeah, I ordered those capacitors to the compressor. Hopefully they come tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, so I can try if that works, or do I need to buy a new one. But yeah, okay, the door handle is primered. It's pretty decent. There is at least one speck and just a little grooves there, little pinholes and little texture, but the car isn't perfect, so I don't think this has to be too. Yeah. Okay, the door handle is now painted and it's looking pretty good. although there's something, and in the middle was some. There you can see, like right where the light is in the tip. So that might be a pinhole actually, fish eye or something like that, but overall I'm not going to bother myself with that. This is going to be mounted to the car and I'm happy with this. So yeah, pretty neat. The color match. Yeah, that's dirty too. Do I have any place where I can? It's close. Okay, the door handle is on. I couldn't keep my hands off it. So there's a little fingerprint. I thought that it's dry. It was 8 hours that the lacquer dried, but still it's so soft that I should have waited till tomorrow. But it is what it is, and the color matches perfect. I couldn't hope more, but all in all, that's there. Okay, it's cleaner. As you can see, it's turned around, so I have driven it in my yard, though, so I didn't take it here for test drive. But I just made a couple of braking in my yard and found out that I need to bleed the brakes again. The pedal was a little bit soft, but yeah, I need to do that. And yeah, I cleaned the car. It's looking pretty good when you look it from distance. The sides are okay. There was a little bit funkiness, roughness on the passenger side, on the bottom. I think I can buff those out, as do these sides here and the bumpers and everything that are vertical. But the top end of the car, the top of the car is a pretty bad mess. There's a lot of dust here and it doesn't look good. That old antenna spot there is bubbling, so I think I need to repair that. And the hood is the worst. It has awfully lot of trash in it, and that's because when I painted the car I had the heater fan over the car and it just fucked me up, pardon my language, but it's from the heater elements, it just blew all the dust over the car when I was painting this. So
I think I'm going to sand the top of the car and patch that, paint the roof, and sand this too, and maybe try to lacquer it or paint them again if I need to, but that's in the near future. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, but this bugs me so much, so I might even do that. And the interior of the car is looking pretty decent. I cleaned it. So that's good. The trunk, I don't have the mat there, but it's waiting. I bought a new seal here. It was in this hardware store where I went. I saw that there is this kind of seal that this original was, so I bought it. It was cheap, so it was good. It was leaking to the trunk anyway, so hopefully now that's solved, and this fits very well. It's tight. If you just drop the trunk there, it won't lock, so it's tight. And yeah, what about the engine compartment? It's dirty. I need to clean this one. I need to just a second. I need to put this back on, but cleaning and finding out where it leaks oil. And one place I know for sure is the shifter linkage seal, and it's definitely leaking from there. And yeah, this car has leaked oil since I bought it, and there's been at least the seal has been changed there, and some sealing done to the remember the English word now. But anyways, there has been done quite a bit of work with this car. The clutch is new, the belt is new, the manifold is cleaned, and it has new wires and fairly new exhaust pipe, and yeah, a lot has been done, but this engine has run for quite a bit, so I believe it's over 420 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers, so that's a tough engine. I can tell that. It's not the fastest. It is a 105 horsepower engine, 1.8 liter, so it's a tough engine, but it leaks oil. So yeah, that's that. Let's take that leaf out. So yeah, see you on the next one, and let's see what the time brings. Oh yeah, and let's see this
new door handle. It matches perfectly, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's it for now.